Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the iPhone 13 in stunning blue, with 128 GB of storage and unlocked for ultimate flexibility. This renewed premium model is a top-notch choice for anyone who's looking for a reliable and powerful smartphone. The iPhone 13 boasts a 6.1 quad Super Retina XDR display, delivering a next-level viewing experience. With 5G capability, you can enjoy super-fast downloads and high-quality streaming, taking your mobile experience to the next level. One of the standout features of the iPhone 13 is its cinematic mode, allowing you to capture stunning videos in 1080p at 30 fps. Plus, the Dolby Vision HDR video recording up to 4K at 60 fps means you can, powered by the A15 Bionic chip. The iPhone 13 offers impressive performance with a new 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this smartphone can handle it all with ease. With up to 19 hours of video playback, Face ID for secure authentication, and a durable design featuring ceramic shield front and aerospace-grade aluminum, the iPhone 13 is built to last. It's water-resistant to a depth of 6 meters for up to 30 minutes, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Not to mention, the iPhone 13 is compatible with MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers, adding even more convenience to your daily routine. If you're ready to elevate your smartphone experience, the iPhone 13 is the perfect choice. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible device and take your tech game to the next level. Don't miss out.